Hi, so this is the remote control I bought for my Canon Vixia HF G50, and as you can see, it's very small, very convenient. In inches is about 1.5 inch big, tall, and about 1 inch wide, and it comes with this like a clamp, so you can attach to a C stand of any other small diameter tube. It's not too big, you are not going to be able to attach to something really thick, but for C stand is perfect. Has the photo button, the zoom in out, and also has the start stop recording, and this is the connection I got. So let me attach. I'm recording with the camera, so we will see if this thing is able to control remotely. 1 second. Okay, actually I restart the recording with this button, so I know it works. And now zoom in. I'm using this control right now. Zoom out, and that's just great. Works perfectly for what I want. I never take pictures, so I don't know if it's going to work. I don't care for that. That's just great. And I'm going to stop the recording with this one, and that's a wrap. Thanks for watching this video. Recommended.